The first patent is from November 21st, 1908, and the others in October 8th, 1912 and December 17th, 1913. Well made and finished, it was a simple blowback. However, instead of the usual Browning-inspired method of attaching the barrel to the frame by lugs beneath the breech, Bascaran's squared-off barrel had a ridge on top and shoulders beneath. It was unlocked from the frame by pulling the rear of the trigger guard down and away from the butt. The slide was shaped internally to ride on the squared sides and ridge, keeping the working parts securely aligned during recoil. Martians were striker-fired and had an unusual safety catch on the left side, in front of the grip, which moved vertically to disconnect the sear from the trigger, a considerable improvement on the usual I-bar pattern catch. The disassemble of this weapon is verified by releasing the trigger guard. The ingenious system of its mechanisms allows it to be built in a very small size. It is provided with a very effective loaded chamber indicator, consisting of a sight that becomes visible to the eye and to the touch when the chamber is loaded. In 1912 were made 14 this pistols per day. It was made in 25 auto and 32 auto. This pistol was presented by Martin Antonio Bascaran in the Exposition d'Arts y Industrias Arts and Industry Exhibition in Eibar, Spain, in 1908. Designed by Martin Antonio Bascaran.